The relationship of the BJP or the Bharatiya Janata Party and number 13 can be traced back as early as the 13th Lok Sabha. Back then, BJP was under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was the leader of the house and was sworn on the 13th, again 1-3 October 1999. Those who are believers would often believe that number 13 would mark change. After 13 Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi took the office of the Prime Minister. Sri Narendra Modi, the present Prime Minister of India, took his office for the first time on the 26th of May. Here again, we find 26 being a double of 13. We also find that 8 plus 5 would add up to 13, thereby marking once again an auspicious number. After 13 Chief Ministers, the 14th Chief Minister was Narendra Modi, marking again a change in Gujarat. 13 would become a single number 4 if added with 1 and 3, and we often find that either Mr. Modi would confine most of his days and dealing with the number 13 or would orbit his decision with the number 8 being the double of 4. If we look at the close quarters of defense of Mr. Narendra Modi, the swearing of most of the important offices are around the number 13 or the number 31. Coming down to Manoj Mukund Narvane. He was born on the 22nd of April. A double 2 and a 4 again gives an indication of 4 and 4 interplaying with defense. We see that his swearing date has been the 31st of December. What is interesting is that when you take his service number, when the service number is added, it adds up to 35. Once again, we therefore assume a very stable and strong defense under his leadership. Mr. Doval's biography on Wikipedia would indicate that he has taken the office of the National Security Advisor of India on the 30th of May. That again adds up 3 and 5, which is 8. If you look at his past position, that is Director of Intelligence Bureau, he held that office from 31st of July to 31st of January, and that would indicate that again 3-1 playing an important role with respect to defense. BJP had contested on 13 seats from Delhi. It was also the reserve date on which Mr. Modi met his officers and ministers to discuss the pandemic issue. 13th card in tarot is called the card of death. A close look of it indicates a knight, which is a skeleton, walking up to a king in his knees. There is a sun in the background. There's a river flowing with a boat, and then there is royalties all around, fallen. It indicates a change of new world order. It indicates that if one can handle 13 well, even the royalties cannot come in the way. It indicates changes. The sun is an indication that it is a positivity and it is going to change for the better. When we look at anything with respect to creativity, medicine or defense, 13 has a lot of relevance. Maybe there's more than what meets the eye. Or maybe all this is just a coincidence. Maybe M, which is the 13th alphabet of the 26, is the name of the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. '13 has always been a sign of stability and perhaps not bad luck, as we now see from Indian point of view. Or maybe All this is just a coincidence.